So, hi everyone, welcome to Edits by Annie. If you are not yet using Snapchat, or if you have been using Snapchat, this might be the best time to start using Snapchat. So, Snapchat announced that they have a new creator monetizing tool that will help improve engagement and also put some money in your pocket. So, today I am coming to you with this news fresh off of Snapchat, and this is a new tool, and the tool is known as Spotlight Challenges. So Snapchat is launching out this Spotlight Challenges, which will provide cash prizes for users who post the best video on a specific theme. So you look at the screen right now. Yeah, something like that. Study it. So what did Snapchat say? Okay, so Snapchat said that Spotlight Challenges will be available on the trending page. You know that trending page? Yeah. And also it will be assessed via the trending up symbol. So they have this trending up symbol on the top right corner of Spotlight within Snapchat. Now, what you have to do is you have to select the challenge you want to participate in to see that specific challenges page. So after you select that challenge, this will feature the challenge's description and the entry information, and you'll be able to submit it to the community. Now, all you have to do is tap challenge details for additional context specific details like the available prizes, what kind of prizes are there, and submission deadline. After you do that, tap the camera icon to open Snapchat camera. And all you have to do after that is to create and submit. So if you like a tutorial, please subscribe, and let's see if we can get up to 15 comments under this post, and I will do a tutorial for you guys. So that is pretty much it. The process is really straightforward, not too much hoopla about it, but it also provides a means for Snapchat to kind of create this rising content trends. So there's a lot of trends going out there, like on TikTok, to do all these contests and get money. And it could also provide this new revenue opportunity for this app, Snapchat. And brands will also profit from this. So let me tell you something. So what Snapchat is not saying is that Snapchat is not saying that sponsored trades are on the cards right now to start using it. What they said is this. Snapchat said the total prize amount for individual Spotlight challenges will typically range from $1,000 to $25. You guys, that's a lot of money. And although occasionally, they may have available even larger amount for a specific challenge, but the minimum price for Snapchatters to win a Spotlight challenge is, drum roll, $250. Wow, that's a whole lot of buggers. So anyway, okay, so yeah, so they do have alternative price pools that can be a way to kind of just increase, Snapchat's payment program. But this is a great opportunity, and it's going to launch this actually launched November last year. Snapchat, when they tested it out, they announced that they paid out a whooping $1 million per day, okay, to the top performing Spotlight clips. Wow. And this kind of worked, and by the end of Q1, Spotlight jumped from 125 million monthly active users to a lot more. Okay, so Snapchat has already paid out $90 million in creator payments, with more to come. And the cost to benefit ratio was starting to look a little bit out of whack. So at the end of it all, well, Snapchat is better off. They're going to pay around 125,000 people $1,000 each to just, check it out, engage in it. So if you want to be one of that, I will say now is the time to jump on Snapchat and start snapping, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time of hearing about Snapchat Spotlight Challenges, you know what? Just share this video with someone, share this channel with someone, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.